Want to turn your Flipper Zero into a light show? Meet the LAB401 Light Messenger, a module that makes your message and images appears to float like magic. Let's see how it works. The secret is persistence of vision. When lights flash quickly enough, your eyes and brain hold on to the image for a moment, making it look continuous. The Light Messenger uses an accelerometer to track motion and an RGB LED array to flash the lights. Combined together, they create this amazing floating effect. Here's how the Light Messenger works. Swipe 1. The device measures how far you move it. Swipe 2. It measures how fast you swipe. Swipe 3. It checks both distance and speed again. These first 3 swipes allow the device to calibrate. The Light Messenger tracks how wide and fast you move. Once it learns your style, it displays your message correctly. If your swipes become too erratic or change direction sharply during this phase, it will recalculate to adjust its settings. Getting started is super simple. Just plug the module into the Flipper Zero GPIO header, update your Flipper to the latest firmware, and launch the app. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Next time, we'll dive into the app and its settings, so stay tuned.